I'm Florian, celebrity makeup artist, and I'm going to get you party ready. Joining me today is the stunning model, actor, and sensational face of Lakmé, Isabelle Kaif.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
So what are we doing today?
So, I know you like partying a lot. I think, Isa, we should be doing eye makeup, which is a bit defined, smoky, a touch of gold, maybe in the inner corner.
Let's do that.
I'm using the Lakmé Illuminating eyeshadow palette. The shades are flattering and pigmented enough. So always start applying your eyeshadow on the out corner. So with the eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to fill up the eyelid.
So step 2.
The darkest shade on the corner of the eyes. And then blend it on it.
It's all about the blending.
I'm going to use the Iconic Kajal to give her a bit of definition and a bit of depth. So here I'm applying it very closely to the lash. I'm smudging it because I don't want it to be too lined up and more like blended to the lashes.
It really does make the eyes pop. Very nice.
Moving on to the eyeliner, I'm using Lakmé Absolute Gloss Artist in Vinyl Liquid Liner. It gives your eyes the darkest black stroke with a glossy finish. It's smudge-proof and long-lasting. So again here, I'm going to stay very close to the eyelash, just to give a bit of definition. So coming back to the first eyeshadow, I'm going to define the lower eyes. And finally get extra mileage out of the look by using a flash of color along the lower lash line. And here I'm going to use a lighter color, which is the golden, just staying inside corner, blending it.
And this is really good for just opening up the eyes, adding that little extra bit of pop.
Exactly. Finish off with Lakmé Flutter Secret Volume Mascara. And here you have it, the perfect smoky eyes. Moving on to the blusher. So I'm using the Lakmé Blush Duos. So the perfect way to apply it is to brushing in and out. So for the lips, I'm going to go softer.
So this was one color I really like, the Kareena Kapoor Pout Definer. For the perfect pout.
And for the master stroke, I'm using the highlighter.
I hope you guys have learned some tips and tricks. Have a stylish year ahead with Lakmé.